अस्सलाम गाइस, मैं आप तमाम लोगों को अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर वेलकम करता हूं। और आज की हमारी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्लास है, तो हमारे साथ जुड़िए रहिए। आपकी स्पीकिंग क्लास को बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त करने वाला हूं मैं। तो आज की क्लास है रिगार्डिंग स्पीकिंग। सो लेट्स बिगिन द क्लास। सो क्लास के स्टार्टिंग में मैं आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड कोई छोटी मोटी सेंटेंस पढ़ाता हूँ। लेट्स सपोज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं विद अ सेंटेंस, हाउ आर यू, हाउ आर यू। एंड सेम इज इट sometimes we use how do you do. Now there are two sentences. Now there are two sentences. The first one is how are you, and the second sentence is how do you do. Now, guys, you may have a question in your mind. The word is different between how are you, sorry, how are you and how do you do. So there is a simple, we can say that how are you, how are you. Sorry, first of all, let me tell you about how do you do. Where we use how do you do and where we use how are you. So, how do you do we use with a person we are meeting first time. Okay, again I'm telling you, how do you do we use with a person we are meeting with in first time. We don't know him. And the same, how are you? How are you? We are using with a person we know him and we are meeting more than one time. So both are basically having the same meaning. Now, if someone asks you with this question, how are you? Now, how will you reply? Now, how will you reply? So this is the part of your speaking class. I am fine. And how about you? Okay. So this will be the answer. I am fine. How about you? Okay. Now you are telling that you are fine, and you are asking the question. I'm fine. Or you can also say, I am fine. Thank you. Then, or I'm fine. Thank you. And how about you? And how about you? Now the second person also replies you the same. I am fine, thank you. Okay. Now you are asking how about you? He's also replying you. I am fine, thank you. Now let's go to the next sentence. That is, where are you from? Where are you from? Where did you come from? Now they are asking, if where are you from, they are asking this question, it means where you come from, where you belong. It would be your, where is your nationality. So simply you can reply, I am I am from Pakistan. Like, I'm from Pakistan. If you are from India, you can say I'm from India. If you are from Nepal, you can say I'm from Nepal. If you just mention your uh, nationality. Okay. So now the next question: what is your profession? What is your profession? Now he's asking, what do you do for a living? What is your profession? Means, what do you do for a living? Okay, then you can reply, I am an Software. I am an software engineer. Sorry, engineer. Now, whatever is your profession, you can write just I'm a software engineer, I'm a student, I'm a teacher, uh, uh, I'm IT expert. Whatever is your profession, you can tell your profession. Now, how much is your experience in engineering? Now, he's asking question, how much commands, how much experience do you have in your field? How much experience, how much is your experience in engineering means how much command do you have in your field? So you can simply answer, I have I have 5 years experience in software engineering. I have 5 years experience in software engineering. Guys, now many of our many of us is making some mistakes. Now, what is the mistakes? Usually, we don't know the difference between thank you and thanks. So, you might know that. Let me drag out this one so that I can tell you few things which we always commit mistake. Now we don't know the difference between thanks, thank you, and thanks. Sometimes we use these sentences. Sometimes we use these sentences. So guys, thank you is a formal. Thank you is a formal word. We use it. Now, what is formal? Formal we use with elder, senior, uh, as a source of respect. And as you know, and thanks is informal. Informal means we cannot use this word with our senior, elders, or with someone with due respect. So sometime you just be careful while you're talking to an elder. Don't say I'm fine thanks. No, if he's elder than you, your teacher, your parents, anyone, you can always use thank you, not thanks. Yes, you can use thanks with your younger, in friendship gathering, you can use thanks, but don't use don't use informal in serious gathering, like with your teacher, with your parents, or with someone that you respect. So guys, these are the sentences in I'm just going to tell you. So e- like this type of sentences, every days you make at least 50 sentences. So in this matter, I'm also giving you the class about tenses, so you can polish up your language in this method, and you can improve your English. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे, काइंडली लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए, प्रेस द बेल